Flip it. Master Korean reversible pairs with fun. Part 1. Welcome to our new series, Exploring Reversible Korean Words. Reversible words are pairs of words where reversing the syllables creates a completely new meaning. In today's video, we'll explore two fun and useful reversible words,
수박
and
박수.
we'll cover their pronunciations, meanings, cultural insights, practical sentences, and even test your knowledge with a quiz at the end. Let's dive in. The first word is
수박
Shall we practice its pronunciation together? Here's how to pronounce it.
수박, 수, 박, 수박.
수박
Means watermelon, a refreshing fruit enjoyed worldwide. In Korean culture,
수박
is a quintessential summer fruit, loved for its sweetness and juiciness during the hot season. Before we move on, let's learn how to use
수박
in a practical sentence.
저는 수박을 정말 좋아해요.
This means I really like watermelons. Let's say this sentence together.
저는 수박을 정말 좋아해요. 저는 수박을 정말 좋아해요. 저는 수박을 정말 좋아해요.
The second word is
박수.
which is formed by reversing the syllables of. Shall we try pronouncing it together? Here's how to say it.
박수, 박, 수, 박수.
박수
Means applause or clapping, referring to both the act of clapping hands and the sound it makes, often used to express appreciation, support, or cheer. In Korean culture,
박수
is an essential way to show support, celebrate achievements, or appreciate a performance. Now let's see how we can use
박수.
in a practical sentence.
우리는 함께 박수를 쳤어요.
This means we clapped together. Let's practice saying this sentence.
우리는 함께 박수를 쳤어요. 우리는 함께 박수를 쳤어요. 우리는 함께 박수를 쳤어요.
Quiz time. Here's a fun question to test your knowledge. Which of these is a popular summer fruit in Korea? Number 1.
수박
Number 2.
박수.
Write your answer in the comments below. That's it for today's lesson on reversible Korean words. We explored
수박
and
박수.
their pronunciations, meanings, cultural insights, and practical sentences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more engaging Korean lessons. See you in the next video.